everyone and welcome back to Unique Stitch Designs with me, Sylvia. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create this beautiful Lego wall art. First, you will need these paper letters. I have decided to go with these large ones, but of course you can get the small ones if you like. You also need the brush, some paint. You can use acrylic paint or any paint you have at home. Of course you will need loads of Lego. My children have loads of Lego. That's why I decided to create this wall art. So you will need loads. And also you will need a glue gun. And of course with these letters you can create any word you like. So for me, I am creating this Lego wall art for my children's bedroom. So I have decided to go with the names. So my son's name is Romeo. So you will need the letters. So I have 5 letters here and I painted them with the different colors. So first we are going to paint the letter. I decided to go with the yellow for this letter. So simply just paint it all the way around, and you don't have to do it at the bottom if you don't want to. It's up to you. So once your paint is nice and dry, I didn't paint the back part. Doesn't have to be because it's gonna be on the wall. So once your paint is nice and dry, you can do 2 layers or 3. It's up to you. I only done 2 layers. Make sure you leave it to dry for at least 6 hours. For the fun part, bring your Lego. And before we start gluing, we are going to play with the Lego for a little bit. Now you have 2 options how to place the Lego. First option is that you will fill the letter with all these small bits like this, and you will be simply placing the Lego blocks like so. And this option is when you have loads of Lego. If you don't have loads of Lego, then you can do only few parts. So for example, you can do 1 piece here, 1 piece here, maybe 1 piece here. So they don't need to be too close. We just want to make it nice and fun. So you don't need to worry if you don't have much Lego. You can just place it like this. Because you already painted your letter, it will look great anyway. Or you can make it like so, or in the corners, just to play with your Lego before you glue your pieces. So maybe like this. So just fill the corners and then maybe like so, 1 in the middle. I think this option looks great as well. For some letters it may be easier to do it this way, but for example if you have a letter like this one, this may be a little bit trickier, so I would go with this option just to place it like this, maybe like this, just to play with it. So some letters can be really tricky, but not to worry. We are doing these for fun, not to get stressed. So just play with your blocks like this before you glue them. Now preheat your glue gun, and I like to use the plate for my glue gun because, as you can see, it's really messy. Please be very careful when you are using the glue gun because the glue can be very hot. This is it. This is our beautiful Lego art. Very fast, little bit messy, but I enjoyed it very much. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like it, share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Unique Stitch Designs. Thank you very much for watching.